last 15 years, I have worked UP. I have only done Banya wedding.
Punjabi weddings are literally parties.
They're lit, man. They're literally lit. These proposals which you see on Instagram and everywhere, this is all planned.
यार अगले दिन हो रही है फ्लोरल हल्दी, उस दिन हो रहा है पानी. कैसे होगा वो कन्वर्ट?
उन्होंने मुझे इशारा कर दिया ऐसे. And everybody, like every guest for having their snacks, they run quickly.
Hello everyone. So I think the wedding season is upon us. You must be due to attend, your relative's wedding. There must be a wedding in your family, or maybe you yourself are getting married. So today we're taking you behind the scenes of what goes into curating that big, fat Indian wedding. So here we have Neha and Chevy with us. So guys, we're here for Dhoom Dham Weddings, right? So let's get started. Neha, why don't you start by telling us a little about yourself?
So, hi, I'm Neha Gupta. I am wedding planner for last 15 years, and so it started right away from my college days itself. I've started doing, college events, freshers, and farewells, and some annual functions. And I born in Varanasi and born and brought up in Varanasi. I have done 10 years, I've worked as a wedding planner 10 years in one single company, and it's the topmost leading company of Uttar Pradesh. And when I left, I was one of the director of the company.
Okay.
Yes, I was 100% sure that I have to marry a person who is only a event manager.
Oh, wow.
Obviously,
Right.
because we have such limitations, we have such, working time issues, which
Right.
I am 100% sure nobody else would, understand. Your only partner can understand because I have to come late. There's no time limit. I have to
Right.
come 12, 2, 3, or sometime
Right.
I have to come in the morning itself. So I was 100% sure that I have to get married to a event person only. So that's how I got married to my husband Amit here in Rudrapur. And after we got married here, it's lockdown happened. So I got
Right.
married in 2020 Feb.
Okay.
So during lockdown, we thought of, let's start a venture together. So that's how Bells and Whistles born.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So very new, but I think you've created all the dhoom dham around the
Yes,
weddings,
yes,
definitely.
yes, yes.
Especially at Rudrapur, Bareilly, Ramnagar.
Yes, last 5 years are so amazing. Like
Yeah.
we have done such amazing and such good weddings here, and also have covered almost. I didn't knew कि मुझे कौन सा एरिया कवर करने को मिलेगा क्योंकि I was new.
Right.
I was working in Varanasi and those Kanpur and Lucknow zone.
Yeah.
When I came here, I'm like, it has a very vast area. Like I've worked in Rudrapur, Rampur, Ramnagar, Bareilly, Shahjahanpur. I've got very nice client in Bareilly and Shahjahanpur, to be very frank.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So we'll come back to your very hectic life during the wedding season. Chevy, let's hear from you.
So hi, I'm Chevy Chabra, director of Grand Nirvana. So I was born in a small city like you, like everybody else, and had larger than life dreams. Luckily, my family was very supportive, and I think I am the first woman, because I'm the elder one, to have lived life without any rules. So I have done almost everything that I wanted, and life also happened that way, that everything I planned for my for my studies, for my career, everything went according to my plans. And I think that is all the grace of Almighty. So it started with completing my high school from Hartman, and then I got in Delhi University, completed my BCom honors from there, and then lockdown happened. But I got placed in Deloitte at that time, so I was like utterly occupied. I was working as an audit associate for a year. After the quarantine, the plan was to move to London and get my master's, from London. Got that as well. Got in Queensmary and completed my master's. At that time, Nirvana was, in the construction phase. So the plan was to come back. So I tried to get all the experiences, and obviously with all the memories, it was hard to come back. But like, I tried to, gather as much as possible how I would contribute at Nirvana. So I interned in a lot of five-star hotels in London, and that gave me a lot of experience. And then I came back in August. We opened in November. So that is how I joined Nirvana.
And the rest is history.
Rest is present.
That's true. Now let's get into, the crux of the matter of today. So, wedding planning, guys. First of all, or organizing weddings, hosting guests, how has the industry changed? Both of you, like Neha, you have been in it for quite some time. Shavi, you are new to it. So, like, you have your perspective to bring to it as well. According to you, like, majorly, what do you see?
Nowadays I'm seeing wedding has changed a lot into like they are like more focusing on social media, I would say. Like, everything has to be on social media. People are, especially Instagram, I would say.
Everything has to be Instagrammable.
Yes. My whole, like, whenever I start my meeting, it's like open, everyone is showing their phone with this Instagram thing.
Okay, so I need to create this reel, so let's plan backwards.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So they are very like influenced by the wedding of the celebrities and the influencers now, whatever happening, and they are too much into the social media. And I guess this is what I have seen changes over these years. AI has come already. They are like they have already doing so much of things now. They are even making these speeches also, like if bride or groom has to say something, it's all on AI. Like, come on, chat GPT open karo
okay.
and like let's do the speech thing ready.
Right.
So I've seen these things कि बहुत चेंज आ गया है कि सोशल मीडिया एंड AI and more use of digital things. What I've seen in recent years.
I think there's been a shift from what was, in terms of size, I would say, what was big, earlier big fat Indian weddings with like hundreds and thousands of guests has now reduced to intimate weddings where people, only call 150 guests, 150 guests to their small events like haldi and cocktail or anything like that, and maximum average that I see is like 500 guests for the main event, which is a reception and the wedding event. And if I talk about destination, I think it has reduced even more.
Yes.
So the size has completely reduced. People are now focusing more on adding some personal touch to their weddings. Whatever their story might be, especially when it's a case of a love kind of a setup, because they want the wedding to reflect their story.
Right.
So, and since we are seeing a lot of these kind of love marriages happening, and so these days weddings have become more personal rather than just a show or a social event for the community. So that kind of touch I am personally loving.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, I think earlier it very much used to be a family affair.
Right.
Like parents or grandparents were doing.
Only they used to come for the bookings.
Right.
Now the couple is so interested that they are planning every single thing, and they want to be involved as much as possible. And even the budgeting and everything they are doing, because the pair.
Yes, they are planning. Actually, I have been like meeting many clients जो कि कॉर्बेट में घूम रहे हैं. They are finding different venues. They are setting their own budgets. I'm like, they are telling already हमको कि okay we have this budget, we both are doing this wedding together, we are just so these keys
Definitely.
So the decision making now has come to the couple. They are planning, how they
and
want
even
to
their
invest in
parents also ask them ki okay, ask them only to
Yeah.
do all the decisions and all the decor and everything. So yes, this is correct.
Yeah.
Ki now this has shifted to the couple.
But if couples, end up disagreeing, any two individuals would, right? Like even if parents are there, they would also disagree on something. But how do you manage that when a couple is like, you don't know?
It's generally happens nowadays. Some of the case happen
Yeah.
ki, they don't meet to a same decision of maybe the entertainment or the decor. Maybe the girl wanted to be a very minimalistic and boy wants it to be very grand. So we get the solution ki obviously let's do one function this and one function according to her.
You have to
we
balance
we
it
have to manage these
Right,
things.
right.
Yes.
But I think that comes on like you guys,
Yeah.
like okay,
we
I
have to
have to
handle
cater
so
to
many
both of them.
dynamics, family dynamics, like.
So that is the fun part actually.
Yeah.
When the couple comes and they start having these cute little arguments. Okay, that is how it will be on the groom is like, but my family will prefer it like in red tones or all those bold colors. And the bride, because now everyone wants a minimalistic decor.
Oh yes.
So how you balance it, and the groom has 90%. The groom has no choices at all. It is all their family. So I think those little arguments add light to it, and it's even more fun to work
It's
with
really
it.
interesting. Yes.
So we talked about social media influence and decision making. You touched a little bit on minimalism as a trend. Are there any other trends, that are picking up? Or maybe, for the coming season, what do you feel?
Minimalistic decorations are like I don't know, but other than that, yes, I have seen the the functions are increasing day by day. First is used to be 2 night functions.
Right.
Now it's almost every of my wedding is 3 nights. So I have seen this changes. Maybe the upcoming all the weddings I'm doing one of very big fat wedding in Amritsar I'm doing here.
Okay.
And it's 4 night function.
But I think the 3-day wedding trend is basically because there's a sundowner event planned, and they want to party till they start at 3 or whatever, and then they stop at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. They want the day to entirely be the event to entirely be a party. Nothing more, no rasme, no nothing.
Right.
So I think that is why
Maybe because most of them they want sundowner wedding, so they don't want morning to be really hustle.
Exactly.
Right.
So they shifted the function before only, like जो 0 day होता था पहले कि okay 0 day है and कुछ भी नहीं होगा, there will be a welcome lunch, basic lunch or basic dinner होगा. No, that's the now a big day for them. They are doing Sufi nights. 0 day is nothing like 0 day now.
Right.
So
It's a
we are-
full-blown event.
Full-blown event. We are doing, most of the wedding I'm doing, it's 3 nights only now.
the best trend I think
Yeah.
is the wedding social media companies that have come up. Right?
Yes.
They are absolutely capturing everything. So the rawest of moments are being captured, and they are putting it on Instagram at the same time. So even the people who are actually missing out the wedding, and especially
fun
in case
part,
of
yes.
especially in case of destination weddings where there is a limited guest list. So those people are literally enjoying that, because obviously the pages are being created, and what people are doing is whatever trends are going on, they are literally creating those trends, and that creates a bond as well with their bridesmaids, with their friends and families and everyone. So that is a very interesting. I'm loving it.
Yeah, and I think like that's the change, right? Like the photo album has changed. It's digital, it's video, it's audio.
It's now the albums have shifted to the reels and the updates. Basically, my clients are more looking after not the photographer but the BTS person more, like who will be our BTS team.
I think
I
nobody creates a
also-
digital album now.
I love the BTS reels more than the actual like wedding reels where everyone's very proper and things are happening very smoothly.
But that is also planned. Huh?
Oh, BTS is also planned.
Yes.
What are you saying?
Yes, that's all planned.
Everything is planned.
Everything is
Wow.
planned.
Okay.
It's just we say BTS, but it's all planned. What you have to do, what you have to act, how you want to enter, how you have to say, everything is planned.
So that is what I'm saying. These wedding social media companies, they plan everything to the point. So there are fixed amount of videos, fixed amount of stories, fixed amount of reels, and they charge for it.
Yes.
So that is how it happens, and everybody is going up for it because it is a digital album. It is a digital album. That is why all the photo albums are now that work is done.
Yeah, I'm
That's
doing
true,
a
like-
theme called Diore Dhoop.
Oh,
Haldi thing.
wow.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah, we are doing.
Like I'm usually used to like carnival.
Yeah. No. Now they
Carnival-
don't want those. Now they are like very much particular.
Carnival is
Done.
Done.
They don't want even the function name has to be very trendy. They want. Please suggest some trendy names for the functions. We have to look now.
That's
we have
that's what ChatGPT is for.
Curated to the T.
Even in terms of food, like people are not going for the usual chart. Like everything is now fusion. Even the Indian stations, so restaurants are in trend. Everybody's putting up restaurants, and not even just one. Like we have requests for we want 2 restaurants at the wedding, and so that kind of the menu curation has entirely changed now. Menu curation is basically based on what theme it is.
So your planning must be starting like months ahead of the season.
So before even the next season begins. So this like we will start the wedding season in November. So all that planning is done. Now what we look for is what will the next season call for.
Oh, okay.
So as soon as we reach February and we are done with this season, we start hunting for the next season.
Oh, okay.
And at that point of time, guests are generally not involved in these menu and decor bookings, because they are mainly fixing up their rishtas and everything,
Right.
and looking for the venue. That's
Yeah.
it. So
Yeah.
at that time we get our R&D done.
Oh, lovely. So, tell me something. Let's go into the planning process then. What is the first things couples should focus on? Like, either they actually do it or maybe they tend to overlook something that is very important.
For me, I want ki both the families or bride and groom have to be on the same lines. Whether they want a beach wedding or they want the royal wedding or they want, the mountains. So I want them to be clear initially ki you have to be clear of what you want. Then please, the main thing that you need to decide your budget. And you have to be open with us.
Right.
That's the foundation I believe. सारा का फाउंडेशन वही है कि अगर आप हमें क्लियर करते हो कि व्हाट्स योर बजट क्योंकि आजकल दे ऑलवेज सी ऑल द थिंग्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आई वांट दिस आई वांट दैट सो दे हैव टू अलाइन दे हैव टू बी फोकस ऑन द they have to be focused on the same lines, on the same page. They have to be what I believe they have to be.
Right.
Yeah.
And adding to that, I think that's what I mentioned earlier as well, the personal touch. So it won't come if you haven't thought about everything before reaching out to any sort of vendor. You have to have a proper idea on what is your checklist, how much budget you want to allocate in the menu, in the decor. So everything should be planned to the dot. And once you have that kind of clarity, because no matter how much you plan your budgets,
Right.
it always goes beyond it.
Right.
Because when
It's such an emotional thing,
Yes.
So, like, everywhere they're like, why not?
Why not this?
It's once in a lifetime thing.
Yes.
So, Neha Shavi, since we're talking about budgeting, have you noticed a trend in increase in the spending generally on
Definitely,
weddings?
Yeah.
definitely.
And we're very glad.
Gives you more room to
Obviously,
work, right?
obviously.
I'm very happy now. We were very much not sure about ki after pandemic how the people will come, but they're seeing celebrity weddings. They're seeing such influencers wedding nowadays, and the people want to spend high.
So we thought like pandemic would, because it closed a lot of businesses,
Yes,
correct.
unfortunately, but in turn it the psychology changed and people started thinking that life is very short.
Yeah.
And
We
they are
need to
spending
enjoy
more
every
even.
moment.
Yes.
So that is how the spending increased, and the reverse happened.
Yes. I
Yes,
think
they're spending more.
there was a dip in
They
spending
want
in
one.
COVID.
They want one celebrity in one of their function. I'm very glad they are like up to okay. We'll keep one celebrity in cocktail, or we'll keep on some of the other function. I'm like fine. They are putting more into things into personalization. They are putting
But do you
nice.
think? But do you think adding a celebrity to your budget, does it is it a value for money?
Personally, I don't really like celebrity has to be there in a wedding function, but now the trend is they want to show, they want to
Right.
the liking, the preferences have been changed looking up to the weddings they are following, so I believe they already want. अगर कोई हमसे पूछता है डू यू रियली सजेस्ट कि हमें एक सेलिब्रिटी रखना चाहिए वेडिंग फंक्शन में, तो आई सेड आई ऑलवेज सजेस्ट कि ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम इज द मेन सेलिब्रिटी.
Exactly.
They have to be
Exactly.
focused more.
Exactly, that's
I-
the point.
we-
Everybody would be talking about that. This celebrity came in their
Yes.
wedding. Who is talking about us?
Yes. I always suggest. I am more focused into entries. I like my groom and bride has to be a very
They are the
grand.
celebrities, yeah, for the
Yeah,
3 days.
Exactly,
Yes.
exactly. And instead spend more on artists, good artists, good
that's
bands.
true. That's
They are who are going to contribute and make the event more lively.
Right, right.
So I have my
So
restrictions.
non-branded
with it.
artists are very nice nowadays. I would say, those are not named. They are very nice.
Yeah.
And but yes, they are spending in not only on the entertainment. I'm like they are spending on their outfit, their jewelry. I believe the decor have been changed. They want they
They're
want
going
the
all out.
grand, they want the flowers, they want more into everything. They're spending more in everything.
So I think like last year or couple years ago, the trend was like Sufi nights and carnivals, which carnivals you both are clearly against now. Like that's done and dusted. What is next? Like what's coming up in terms of if you're talking about entertainment or themes?
So I guess Sufi is, it's just going slightly, it's vanishing. I believe कि अब थोड़ा
Only because people have overdone it.
overdone. Correct.
It is a good night.
Yeah.
It is a fun night, but people have overdone it. That is why nowadays people are choosing masquerades and
I'm doing masquerade in one of the cocktails. I'm doing Bridgerton theme. I'm
award
doing
nights, like
Yeah.
full-fledged FIFA type setup होता है. and
proper. We give awards to family member who is the most हास्य किरदार of the family. So we are doing all those stuffs.
Wow.
So yes,
मतलब I
Sufi
think
is
people should
something-
go for themes instead of just like making it a Sufi night. If you want to make it a Sufi night, and if you want the decor to be like that, just choose a different name like Arabian Night,
Right.
or something like that, and still you can add that soulful music and everything.
Right.
But it would
You don't have to call it a Sufi,
Sufi
night.
night, exactly.
Right. That restricts it. And then there are only so many limited artists, right? How do you manage stress or conflicting visions, whether it's you with your clients or it's like we discuss between the clients, but maybe you with your vendors?
Can you manage stress? Have you learned?
I have already learned. It's been so many years. In so many years, we are managing, the stress only, the conflict between the, family.
Every season is a
Yes.
different story. So
correct.
there is no rule book on how. There are no steps on how you can manage stress. It literally comes with experience.
Right.
Also, the situation is new every single time because obviously you're not
Yeah.
repeating the same mistakes.
Exactly.
So you deal with it. You put on a blank face
Yeah.
where the guests don't know that something is going on at the back of the house.
Right.
So they cannot know that we are in panic because then they will panic. So
Right.
you have to keep your calm, take deep breaths, and sort everything out and make it a great event.
I
That's it.
always believe communication is the key.
Right.
So I keep myself very free during the events. I put all my jobs to my
delegate everything.
all my colleagues and my all team members, and I keep myself calm and I just be with my clients. I be with my bride and groom. So that's how I just solve the conflicts. I want to just keep calm. I always think कि अगर sorted रहोगे, then you can obviously manage all
Manage
the
everything.
everything.
Everything is manageable unless and until
For example, I really wanted
There's
to
a
share.
rainy day or something.
Yeah,
That also
that's
is
what I want to
that
share.
also is manageable, but
So-
that's a big help, right? When everything is planned.
Yes.
So you just get what you have to do. I think your R&D work is actually over because the brides and the couple is so
They were
up to
sorted.
everything.
Yes,
they are
yes.
sorted. They want
They're
this,
sorted.
this. Everything is decided. All of the entry and everything is other than other than the venue and everything. Everything is decided. So it helps us as well.
What are backups do you guys have to, keep in mind? Like, weather, rain.
We always have a B plan, obviously. हम
Okay.
B plan लेकर ही चलते
अच्छा.
हैं.
So it's double
हमेशा.
the planning
Yes,
always
yes,
for you
yes,
guys.
Yes, yes, always.
मैं I don't want to jinx it. अब मैं बोलूँ या नहीं. But it has never rained in Nirvana. Never.
Wow. Touch wood. Yeah.
So literally touch wood. And मैं बोलना नहीं चाह रही थी, but I don't know why. So even if the weather is like that, or the forecast is like that, so it will rain a little bit, and when the event comes up, when's the time, and everything gets cleared
so
out.
nice.
What are the challenges that you'd say you face in planning or, managing a venue when it comes to the season? When we talk about weddings specifically.
Venue में तो I think there are a lot of it, but the main challenge we face is maintenance.
Okay.
Because back-to-back events, even the decorators, the event planners are changing for
Okay.
every event.
Right.
And they bring in those big setups and everything. There's a huge turnaround. So at night the setup is different. In
That's
the
what I
morning,
was about to say. The same thing we face nowadays. This is back-to-back wedding. So
Exactly.
एक setup खुलता है, दूसरा setup we have to ready by the morning.
and they have
So
that
that's
added
what-
pressure from the venue. They have that added pressure from the venue because the venue is so particular. Hamara,
Yes.
this stone should not break. This
Correct.
and everything comes on to them.
right.
But we also cannot, focus on every aspect of it, and you tend to lose control at that time, and there are losses. So that is the minus side of it. One more is staying operational and managing your fixed costs during the off season. That's
Right.
also
How are you managing those? I know both of you have diversified a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, tell
So
me
during
about it.
those periods, we do corporates.
Okay.
So corporates we do a lot. I am not interested too much in corporates. I do workshops. I do small events like exhibitions. I do pop-ups. I do those things during
Okay.
my
Right.
our low periods.
What sort of exhibition is it?
I do
This is
completely
in
lifestyle.
It's Rudrapur
It's,
itself.
yeah, I
and you
do.
are the organizer.
Yeah, I
Okay.
do with the name of Fancy Trunk, and
Okay.
I organize exhibition. I do lots of live workshops over there, and
What sort of workshop?
it's creative. It's DIY workshop basically.
okay.
I have done sip and paint. I have done cake it away. I have done recently. I have come up with the moon it up, where all the girls have made their own moonlights.
Oh, wow.
Lamp. Yes, and it was very.
Sounds very
It was
interesting.
very.
Something
it was
new,
very
yeah.
warm. It
we'll
was
get
very
the
wonderful.
details after.
Exactly.
Yeah, definitely. So that's how we do our. I really don't want to sit back, but time भी नहीं मिलता. To be very frank, जब भी हमारा low period होता है, we started doing meetings of the upcoming weddings.
100%.
Right.
Yeah, so that's how we manage.
Okay.
So it's beautifully we can manage. Corporates are always in.
Corporates are always there.
Yeah.
Because we are a hotel, so
Right.
the rooms are usually occupied with corporates, and then you have like small social events as well, like
Right.
the anniversaries, birthdays, and everything of that sort is happening. Some people choose to marry in the off season because they get everything but considerably at a low cost.
Right.
So those type of events help a lot. Additionally, we have like 3 outlets.
Right.
So
And you've expanded. You've opened a new.
yeah,
venue
we recently we have opened Ivara.
Yeah.
And before that we opened Sardo, which is a coffee shop.
Little
Suravi
bit
was
of
all
everything going
little bit of everything. Suravi is again fine dine. So
Is there anything that you wish couples would ask when they are, discussing with you guys, like if it's venues or planning?
I think for the venue, So whatever venue you choose, please choose an overall experience and not just the space you're holding your main event in.
And the people behind it, because
Yeah,
they're putting
that
like
too.
your most special day together.
Definitely. So small towns mein to the personal touch,
Yeah.
the because everything is so close knit. Everyone knows everyone.
Yes.
So the pitches are converted only because of it. I would say literally.
Yes.
When you know that how these people are, and especially the word of mouth,
Yes.
that kind of marketing, I think, breaks everything which is even social media will not do justice
Right.
to the kind of word of mouth feedbacks that you get from your own personal
Yes. I also believe that they really miss when they book, venues. So I guess they don't ask people like the owners whether the outside vendors are allowed or not
Yeah.
working. I believe this is one of the things we are facing right now a lot, working in different, venues. They come up to us, they ask me, okay, we have booked this venue, but what about the, all the aspects behind that? Like, there are many properties and hotels where outdoor vendors are not allowed, or maybe allowed, and they are charging, handsome amount for the maintenance.
Right.
So I always believe that once you fix your wedding or once you fix the venue, you should definitely take care of all these stuffs.
I
Ki-
think priority-
also the timing thing. I don't know, Bareilly mein there is no such things
No,
for the timings, but I worked in Corbett, I worked in other cities like Jaipur and everywhere. There are some timing issues. So I was always believe कि आप जब भी आप book करो या always come up with the venues, you should always take care of all these spots.
Since are there any difference in culture or expectations when it, so Neha, like you work with clients from like all over UP,
Yeah,
right?
correct.
And you have clients from all over UP coming to your venue. So like different communities, different cultures, what have you experienced? Are the differences?
So in last 15 years, I have worked, as I have told you, I have worked 10 years in UP and like in Varanasi, mainly in Kanpur and Lucknow. I have only done Bania weddings, Bania, Madu weddings. When I came here in Rudrapur, I'm just looking कि कोई तो एक बनिया wedding है. This all I'm doing is Punjabi wedding.
Really? Okay.
Whole like I don't.
Rudrapur,
yeah.
the population is mostly Punjabis.
Correct.
हाँ.
मतलब जो भी यहाँ पे दिल्ली के भी जो क्लाइंट्स आ रहे हैं हमारे कॉर्बेट में दे ऑल आर पंजाबीज लाइक दे आर मोस्टली पंजाबीज सो आई हैव कम फ्रॉम दी
I thought बनिया सबसे आगे है हर एक जगह पे.
where I have my whole scenario, my whole thing has changed क्योंकि Baniyas and Madus are into religions and their rituals. They're most important things. They have to do Myra, they have to do all the
Yes.
sant and every function to be very
Like
precisely.
every event, there's some meaning behind
Correct.
it. There's like a puja, there's a
Correct,
ceremony.
correct. I was very trained with all the all sort of small rituals. कोरत ये होता है भात ये करना होता है. And यहाँ जब आकर पंजाबी they
easy
are
हो
like
गया ना?
this very easy. I'm like they are into हम सब function घर से कर आए हैं. यहाँ पे we will do only
Correct,
party.
correct,
We'll have a
correct.
good time. We will only have drinks and we'll only dance. I'm like nice.
Punjabi weddings are literally parties.
They're lit, man. They're literally lit. I enjoy. I'm like उनको किसी चीज से मतलब नहीं. कुछ भी फंक्शन हो रहा है, I have to call them कि सुनो उठो घड़ोली का टाइम हो रहा है, guys please wake up. We'll late for the other functions. They are like हो जाएगा. We will see. हम कर लेंगे अपने में. Let them
Chill vibe.
They are very chill. Yes.
So it's easier on you guys.
Yeah. I'm really enjoying Punjabi wedding a lot now.
But let's talk about when there is, no schedule of the events, everything is delayed.
Yeah.
And because of this, a lot of services get hampered.
Many things. I believe the food also.
I give +1 to Banyas for that because they
On time for
everything. So
I was very trained. I was like, I worked for 10 years and I know every rituals, what they need in their korat, what they need in their Myra, how they'll enter, how they'll do everything. I was very trained. So I was very confident, and when I came into, here in this region, I'm like, there's nothing. What will I do in my, in my functions?
But you also get chill only that way, na? Yeah, but in case of like Banya weddings, so they will tell you like we have a sort of puja planned. So even if the event was supposed to start at 8, it will start at 6. So
Yeah, they are very particular.
they are very particular. So 6 o'clock, please get our chart stations, and
Right.
the 2-3 live stations started, and we want like 5-6 starters at 6 o'clock. So you have to. I'm sure decor to pura hi. You have to complete by 6.
Right.
Food to still can start in phases.
Any unusual or memorable request that your clients have made?
No requests are unusual. है ना? अब तो आदत हो गई है.
Maybe once back in, I have done wedding in Agra. So groom ने अलग से मेरे को बोला कि after this cocktail will happen, I want a separate bachelor night.
Oh.
That I have planned within 2 hours.
This happens.
My goodness.
Yes.
2 hours?
Yeah, completely. I have done in some other hotel ka venue, and I have done.
Oh my God.
And it was little, confidential and like little.
Right. You
not-
can't let the guests know.
Yes.
You can't let
the parents
some
basically.
family members
Parents,
know.
yeah.
I think the objective is because you cannot drink in front of your
Yes,
parents.
that was
was
their
that is
Banya
always
family.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is always
That's
the
true.
objective.
So they did their bachelor after the Sangeet happened, and so they all went to some other place, and we organized in 2 hours. We organized the sound and light, the DJ, and everything, and they had a blast. They had a blast.
So, if we're talking about proposals and everything, what is the difference in dynamics if it's a love marriage versus an arranged marriage?
I believe there's some sort of awkwardness, I believe, in the arranged marriage, and in love marriage, there's everything is planned. I believe these proposals which you see
Yeah.
on Instagram and everywhere, this is all planned.
This is also planned.
Everything is planned. So
Yeah.
it's like I have done many proposal shoots back. So they are all planned. They want ki I'll tie up and you will bring like this. So this is all planned. I mean, like, where is that surprise thing? No emotions, nothing. They all have planned. They have just done for
How about the grooms crying? I've seen a lot of grooms crying lately.
That is also planned.
Fake.
Yeah. That's fake.
See,
Completely
totally.
fake.
Maybe
Oh my God.
maybe it must have happened.
Yeah.
Truthfully must have happened. I'm pretty sure, but my experience.
बट
was
पता है
that
प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जो सच में रोते हैं ना हम उनको भी फेक कहते हैं. तो
Yeah, maybe. See, on social media, सब original लगता है.
सब original.
but the videos come out very cute.
They are, definitely.
Yeah.
But I
So
think
जब वो start करते रहो ना, I all ask my photographers, please, shot here, shot.
एक एक tear drop पकड़ लेना. But I think involvement का भी बहुत difference है. So there is a very high involvement in case of a love marriage
Yeah.
of the couple. But arranged marriage में then again the families are more involved. So everything is booked by them.
Right.
Everything is planned by them. Sometimes we don't even know the bride and groom, and there are times then we haven't seen the bride and groom. Finally, when they check in and enter the menu, and we know okay these are the rooms that are booked for the bride, and then we see okay, ऐसा होता है.
No,
Maybe in small
I
towns.
push my clients कि I really wanted to talk bride and groom. That's how I can have I can get their story. I can be personalized with them.
Yeah.
I always force कि मुझे बात करना है bride से regarding her entry on bridal day. I always look after. I
But
always
nowadays, arranged setups maybe, I think they have good stories to tell. Even in case
Yeah.
of arranged, because they have like good, what do you call it, that period.
Yeah, like a
between-
dating period. Sort of.
Yeah. So,
Buffer. Courtship period.
courtship,
Yes.
yes. The courtship period is such that they, get time to interact. Even they're going on trips and everything. So that makes a good story.
Right,
even
right.
even I guess the pre-wedding thing make it very easy for them, because they all most of the pre-weddings are done outdoors and out of station, so
Right.
I believe they get connected
Yeah, they
over
have
there
time to
only.
get to know
Yes,
each other. And I
yes,
think
yes, yes.
families have also, like, they give the couple more freedom.
now
that,
now
why
they are
don't we
very
go
easy
ahead?
with
Yeah.
ki haan.
Do you like pre-wedding videos?
Honestly, I think that was a phase that they were good, but now, like, maybe everyone doesn't need to do it, you know.
I will-
Like, I'll be your
We will get a lot of
But if
info.
I'll be your wedding planner, I will definitely ask you to have a photos at
No,
least.
photo shoot is fine.
Yeah.
See, photo shoot is fine,
Yeah.
but those videos and where everybody's pretending to be, actors of the actors and actresses of their own movie. Yeah, let's face it, we are not good actors, na. Otherwise, we would have been. So, that does not come around as you think. So,
Yeah.
I think shoots are still good.
Shoots definitely. Like,
Nowadays,
pays for good
same
memories.
day edit is very like they want
Same day edits.
Okay, but like, how are they putting it together?
So
Same day?
they bring their all editors and everything
Okay.
over there. So
If you could plan a wedding anywhere in the world, or you could, like, from a venue standpoint, like if there was an unlimited budget, what would it be? Like a dream wedding that you would do for your client?
I would to curate a menu and it would say the world. And we would give, all of the authentic cuisines. Like we would bring chefs from all over the country and, curate those regional
I will
cuisines.
take my client to some island. I don't know. I'll take him some beautiful
पूरा island hire कर लो.
Island hire करेंगे and then all private jets should be there and I don't know. Obviously, the chef from
The
all
master
world.
chefs are, making all the. There's nothing unlimited. तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. एक limit तो अम्बानीज की भी थी. But
Really?
I'm always fascinating with the chocolate fountain. I don't know, but I want very
huge chocolate
fountain.
Like
I don't know. I
legit
just imagine.
fountain.
Yes, something very different thing. I can just
Right.
or maybe I can call Preston for the decor. Like Preston is the world most famous decorator that has
Okay.
done the Mani wedding also.
Oh, okay.
So it's my dream. At least I meet him once in my
Right.
lifetime.
Or work
Yeah.
with them.
Yeah, so I really want him in my one of the weddings.
So best of the best is possible.
Yes.
Anything you even wish, that would be a reality.
Right. You would get it done.
Oh, we'll get it done. Give us money.
Okay, let's go on to the rapid fire round. Okay. One word to describe your working style.
Utterly professional.
Dream wedding location.
Portofino.
Wow, okay. Favorite part of the wedding ceremonies.
Feras.
Biggest wedding day pet peeve.
Rains.
Most unusual wedding theme or request you worked on.
I think Holi and Haldi.
Oh.
इतना mess up कैसे कर सकते हो आप अपने outfits को? So it was like पूरे पिचकारीज and everything.
So I've done that. I have done that.
It's a mess. It's a total mess.
I loved it. So I put all Pichkari bar over there, like all sort of.
It's a mess for her to handle.
Correct. As a venue.
I really
You're like, my venue, my lords. I have to get them ready for the evening.
I to trigger my clients. Oh, shoot him, shoot him.
यार अगले दिन हो रही है फ्लोरल हल्दी, उस दिन हो रहा है पानी. कैसे होगा वो कन्वर्ट?
Okay. Advice for wedding hospitality owners.
I think see, don't book too many weddings because I know the dates are limited, but it's the matter of a very special day for all of our guests. So whatever you can handle, just book limited. Charge. Charge accordingly, but take limited bookings so that you are there. You can contribute to the, to the core, and you can make that special day more special
Right.
through your commitment. So that is
So realistic about your dates and then commit to what you have.
100%.
Okay. What's a secret talent no one knows about?
थोड़ा बहुत I can sing.
Oh, okay.
But वो सबको पता नहीं अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं.
Maybe we have a little few lines from you.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
not at all. No, I'm not doing it.
Okay, she wants to keep it a secret.
Hence secret.
Yeah. Any funny vendor request you handled?
Vendor request. This is through a vendor.
Yeah. Or a client.
Nothing comes top of.
मैम मेंटेनेंस फीस थोड़ा कम कर लो.
हाँ, ये कहाँ मुझे याद आ गया. So it was like that कि we want your venue, we want everything, but हम ना हलवाई लगाना चाहते हैं आपके किचन में. यार look at the venue. क्या बोल रहे हो?
Are they banyas?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
This is confidential. Confidentiality. If you weren't in the hospitality business, what would you be doing?
I think I would be a lawyer.
Oh, okay. What would be your
My
specialty?
divorce lawyer.
Oh, okay. Very opposite.
That's what na.
Roses, lily, or marigolds?
Lilies.
Okay. Indoor or outdoor weddings?
Outdoor.
Wedding cake or mithai?
Wedding cake, 100%.
Okay. Classic or creative decor?
Creative.
Okay. DJ or live band?
Live band.
Okay, there we go. ठीक है नेहा. I think you might have had some time to think about these, but we'll go.
would be the
same
different होने चाहिए
questions.
Would be the same question.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry then.
Okay, good. Good, you didn't know. ठीक है. One word to describe your working style.
I'm passionate.
Okay. Dream wedding location.
Kashmir.
Oh,
I love it.
yeah. Maybe on the lake, like some
Yes.
venue. Yeah.
With snow around and everything.
Wow.
Winters में.
Maybe your client is on their way now.
I'm looking at it.
Favorite part of the wedding ceremonies. Biggest wedding day pet peeve.
Obviously, rain.
Rain?
It's
Okay.
the main thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, most unusual wedding theme you've worked on.
The she said the holy, but I really enjoyed. I know she had a bad experience, but I've done the holy theme haldi.
If I was the decorator, I would have enjoyed it.
It was suggested by my client only, and I was like, they want completely holy thing. I was like, how will it work? Like, how are their outfits and everything? Will I be blamed of putting those colors on? I don't know, but they have enjoyed like anything. Like, I have
हल्दी
set
में भी तो bride changes the outfit.
हाँ,
तो
but
That is how the guests were feeling though.
we have put all those balloons also, the
water
water
balloons
balloons and everything. Proper holy setup was there with all thandai and everything. So that was like
Honestly, as a guest, I think I would have a blast.
they had.
But I can understand your.
तो बस just pre-prepare us. मतलब I'm not talking about as a venue partner, but as a
Right.
guest, pre-prepare कर दो. We'll dress accordingly with
Exactly.
those summer dresses.
Yeah.
The resort people was almost about to kill me because their pool was messy.
Cool, oh my god. Best advice for new planners.
New planners. Please, I really want them to be on the, on the, while you're on the site, obviously the stress management, I would ask them to be experience the stress management. That's the main thing. I want them to focus on that.
Right.
Because nowadays, every next person is an event manager. They seem it's very easy. Okay, the lovely pictures we are putting, we are just, it's not about only that.
ये वो भी तो fake होती हैं. Pinterest से ले लेते हैं.
Exactly. The how we manage the timelines, how we manage the different labors and vendors, this is the main thing.
Right.
And we get scolded by the client. This is the truth. अगर आपका client अगर
Right.
time से काम नहीं हो रहा है, आप जितने भी अच्छा आपका relation है client से, we get scolded. I've been called कि what is this? So they have to get ready. This is the reality. This is something not very, very, very easy busy कि हाँ कि I'll just get ready and I'll just, plan the wedding and done. No.
Right.
The reality is very different. I'm exposed to sun, I get tanned.
वो कौन सी series थी?
Made in heaven.
Made in Heaven. वो देख के ना उनको लग रहा है कि
हाँ, this is very, fancy.
and because she's always dressed up.
Yeah, and she's like,
In Sabyasachi and
Yes, she always dressed
not
up
the
in
reality.
she's wearing Sabyasachi sarees and she's
Yeah.
coming in the functions. I'm said, no, I come in my pajamas, in my Crocs and every time.
A lot of
running around.
and
Yes.
a lot of women are getting inspired by that.
ठीक है, your secret talent that we don't know about.
I dance very well.
Oh, is it
Secret क्यों है
like
वो?
Like, I dance in parties, in private parties.
Yeah.
Obviously, whenever
That's
I
very
see,
well. Like,
yeah, whenever I see performing bride and groom, and you know that stage performance, I'm like,
ये क्या कर रही है?
oh shit.
Is that going on in the back of your head like I could do this better?
And I am always front when they perform. I judge first. Okay, who is performing? How is like?
okay, everyone listen, choreography.
Yeah. Services included.
So yes,
If you want a planner, what would you be?
maybe teacher. Yeah,
Okay. And you would be teaching like
creative things.
creative things. Okay.
Not boring.
So like in art, in the arts.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've done fine arts basically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so maybe yes.
Hence the exhibitions.
Flower of choice: roses, lilies, or marigolds.
Roses,
Okay. Indoor or outdoor weddings?
outdoor,
Wedding cake or mithai?
Indian mithais,
Which is your favorite?
motichur colored.
Ah, nice. Classic or creative decor?
I want classic
Yeah. DJ or live band?
live bands.
Live bands. Okay, nice. I want to know, have you ever had a wedding day disaster or a blooper that turned into a great story?
Many. So I was working in Goa in some of the property, and वहाँ पे प्लान था कि सिंदूर पे देयर विल बी अ फायरवर्क्स, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली वरमाला पे देयर वाज स्काई रॉकेट शॉट्स.
Okay.
So it was planned कि we'll do fireworks during her sindoor thing. So we used to be on walkie-talkie always on the time, and my team was there with the fireman, like fire guy with man. So I was like कि okay, I asked पंडित जी after her 10 minutes, okay सिंदूर अब होने वाला है, अब सिंदूर होने वाला है. He said I will let you know. उन्होंने मुझे इशारा कर दिया ऐसे हाँ ऐसे करा मुझे इशारा, मुझे लगा होने वाला है, तो मैंने
You should have done.
I asked my guy, hello, are you ready? So उसने कुछ नहीं सुना, उसने फायर पूरे ऑन कर दिया. And I was like, shit. And everybody, like every guest were having their, meal, or they are having their snacks. They run quickly कि okay, sindoor हो गया. And I was like, shit. It was like, I have done this 10-15 minutes before. And it was like such a blunder. Then we set again some of the remaining, वो जो हम backup में रखते हैं, obviously the
Right.
backup thing. And then it happened again. So we missed the huge,
Right.
the fireworks thing before the
Pandit ji
spotlight.
had-
Yeah, so Pandit ji.
Pandit ji is to blame here.
Yeah, he did wrong.
हाँ ऐसे क्या होता है?
Yeah, ऐसे ही करता
And why would Pandit ji look at you during the ceremony?
No, he
otherwise?
was irritated with me, I guess. So that's why he's like, I'll take badla, let's do. So I get scolded. My husband also, what have you done? Like, I was like, let's happen. So I was doing in a Corbett, and my florist is like little too much with me कि मैम ये भी कर लेते हैं और अच्छा लगेगा. So बारात चली रही थी, and we had a simple arc, and we did a floral, one-sided floral, huge floral thing. So he came at the last moment and said, मैम कुछ अधूरा लग रहा है, let's do one side more, like let's do both the side floral thing. I said okay, you can do it. He said yes. So he did in that time, क्योंकि बारात how it's like बारात
पंजाबी wedding होती है.
हाँ तो बारात आ रही थी, उसके बाद अभी मिलनी होनी थी, and अभी those thing रिबन कटाई होनी थी. I was like ठीक है, we'll do it. उसने कर दिया, and बारात आ गई थी, मुझे दिख रहा है बारात आ गई है. We were setting everything, we were rehearsing the music, everything. Suddenly मैंने ऐसे देखा, वो जो साइड वाला था वो गिर गया on stage. पूरा का पूरा floral गिर गया on stage. I was like, shit, what is this? And everyone was laughing, everyone was saying, what is this, what happened? Father came to me, ma'am आपका decoration ही गिर गया. I was like, what the hell? मैंने कहा इसको या तो हटाओ या तो लगाओ. अब तो clients ने देख लिया है कि floral गिरा है. Now we have to put that again. हम हटा नहीं सकते थे. So in very short time we have again put that, and I don't know कैसे हो गया. Like it was such a disaster. It was everything. I always ask my vendors ki last minute kuch mat rakha karo. Let's plan before. That's why I asked them. So this what the disaster happened with me.
What happened in our venue was it was a summer wedding, and mind you, it was a summer wedding, like fucking hot. So what happened is the Bharat procession was about to start. The groom was on the ghodi. Now, so there was like two vendors. One was managing the event. The other one was managing the decor. So the decor one was least bothered कि start हो गया नहीं हुआ. He is least bothered. Now what he's doing is he's just loading he's doing his loading in and out of all the trusses and everything. So the event planner comes. She sees that the entire Bharat route is filled with props. Now she is in panic. She rushes to the groom and because she cannot tell him that all this is happening. She says, okay, just hold on the Bharat because we'll take another 10 minutes. Now she rushes to the decorator. Now they are just clearing things up. They had their, Varmala planned in the afternoon because they wanted all those colorful shots.
yeah.
So that was getting delayed. It was summer. Groom was in full sherwani, heavy sherwani, sitting on the ghodi. Now the groom literally calls her and says, if the Bharat does not start in 5 minutes, my ass is getting wet. If it does not start in 5 minutes, I will kill the decorator. And somehow everything got managed, but that was such a funny moment. And the groom was super chill. मैंने उसे कभी गुस्से में देखा ही नहीं. That was the first time.
I can feel him. I can feel him. The sherwani.
Seriously, the sherwani was heavy.
And the heat is not helping with
Not
it.
helping.
And on the top of ghodi.
Yeah. Thank God the ghodi was,
The ghodi was calm. हाँ एक बार एक groom घोड़ी से भी गिर गया था वो भी
Oh my god.
ये तो common है.
No.
actually happened.
This happens.
And then they refused to get on it again.
अब लाओ vintage car.
If we talk about now working with families, both of you, Neha, you're working with your husband, Chevi, you're working with your parents. How are you managing that? I mean, there are conflicts. Like, clearly, your families are very supportive of what you do, but still, at work, challenges come up, conflicts come up. So, how do you navigate that with your relationship?
It's really difficult. I can manage things with a colleague better rather with my husband.
Agreed.
I come on all the 3 or 4 days we keep on fighting on the one topic or the another. He and me are like different in thoughts. I really want thing has to go. I look up the solutions and he is ekdam perfect. No, this not happened. This has to be happened. Yahi karo. So I look after the solution and he is perfect. He want everything to be perfect. So this is what we have conflict every time. जब भी हम event खत्म करते हैं 3 से 4 दिन तक हमारे बीच बात नहीं हो रही होती है एंड
तो wedding season
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अपने पेरेंट्स का सुन रही हूँ.
I sometimes blame me. I don't want to share my room with you this time. I want very different. I want peace. क्योंकि हम all the time discuss ही करते रहते हैं about work, about clients. It's people always think कि okay husband wife है साथ में रहते हैं घूमते हैं इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी क्या ये लोग साथ ही रहते हैं there's no problem. Oh my god please I want a different colleague. I always face so much problem. There is no time. People always think कि okay ये लोग घूम रहे हैं. No, we are always working. We are always talking about the clients. We are always talking.
But you always have something to talk about. आजकल कपल्स में प्रॉब्लम ये है they lose the
That's also true.
है ना
They lose that connection.
They lose that connection.
We are only talking about work हाँ every time.
But still
गुड नाइट भी हो रही है कि कल का क्या क्या स्केड्यूल है. वेयर आर यू व्हेन यू कमिंग
work ethic.
व्हेन आर यू जॉइनिंग ऑफिस व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. ऑल्सो आई एम अ मदर. आई एम लाइक आई हैव टू मैनेज अ लॉट. बीइंग इन दिस फील्ड देयर इज सो मच ऑफ मदर गिल्ट. लाइक आई हैव टू ही इज जस्ट 4 years and I have to be with him in many places which I couldn't because of my work. So I'm always
Because you
in
have to
mother
travel
guilt.
so much and everything.
so your mother-in-law must support you.
Yeah, a lot. He is actually my husband is Saas and my Saas is more loving to me. He is my husband always act like a Saas. Like I'm very blessed with my my in-laws.
आजकल mother-in-laws are
very supporting.
Very
yeah,
supportive.
I've heard many of my brides. I've heard like brides जो उनकी mothers होती हैं वो पहले से सोच कर रखती हैं कि मेरी बेटी घर नहीं मतलब बहू घर में काम नहीं करेगी.
Definitely.
I'm when I hear this, it's so powerful. Like hearing to
Yeah.
a mother-in-law becoming a mother-in-law.
So
You are
that
planning
mindset
this.
is changing.
Yes,
Definitely.
they want कि हाँ मेरी भी बहू आकर काम करेगी. When she look up to me, कह रही मेरी तेरी तरह ही काम करेगी. I was like, I'm so glad. I'm so glad that
Yeah.
time has changed such a lot.
Kind of benchmark, daughters also, daughters set in the household. So
Yeah.
all of the changes, all of the fights help the daughter-in-laws who are about to come.
Correct.
So I think get married into a family who has a daughter. Especially if she is like full ambitious and
Right.
And hold in the family.
Half
yes.
the battles are fought already.
Yes.
done.
How about you, Sherry? How is it working with your parents?
We knew this would happen. So what we did is we literally divided our work. So mom looks after the things that I literally don't, even oversee it. Same applies to my dad and me. So we have divided our work and we trust each other that we would be giving our best. And if anything, for any shortcomings, we know who to blame. So we have, that avoids a lot of conflict, but still ho jata hai. बहुत ही recently, so what happened is since we have partied a lot, we have had our time. So Ivara was opening and my father wanted all the lights to be lit. इतनी अच्छी lights लगाई हैं सारी on करो तो I said, Papa, you have to create a party vibe, so you need like dim lights. इसमें तो menu भी नहीं दिख रहा. मैंने कहा आपको पता है there are some restaurants who literally give a torch for that.
Yeah.
So we argued on that and we had a good argument about it. मैंने कहा I will not work like that. If I know, Papa, you have to trust me. I have traveled. I know that this is how it should be. Ultimately, वही हुआ that I wanted, but he understood that.
Right.
So discussions होते हैं, but you come to a conclusion.
Yes, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. And I mean, you just don't have to take it personally, right? Like treat it like it's work.
Yeah. और ये couples में तो होता है. Couples में there are conflicts. My parents, they do argue on a lot of things. I rather argue less because they are my parents. तो वो मुझे automatically समझ जाते हैं.
Right.
So वो एक comfort zone आ जाता है वहाँ पे.
That's
so,
true.
वो couples में तो बिल्कुल correct 100%.
My vendors is like my vendors are almost ready कि मैम आज गुस्से में है सर तो they are used to us like कि अब कैसे मैनेज करना है मैम से पूछो सर इट्स हैपेंस बट एट द एंड everyone जब अच्छी wedding हो जाती है
When the result is good, then
Result
yeah,
is
it all works out.
And we are working for the same result, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Maybe the approach is
the
different.
approach is different yes
Which would be right, like different
Different
generation,
people and,
different people,
Different
why
minds.
not?
और वो होना भी चाहिए because
Exactly.
then only you get points you can discuss upon and improve yourself.
and I guess that's what make things better I believe जब दो डिफरेंट
100%
ओपिनियंस होते हैं
Right.
उसको हम कैसे ओवरकम कर जब चीजें करते हैं that's come
See, ego should not be there.
Yeah.
It should always be for the good of your business. अगर वो ego battles हो जाएंगे then तो you cannot work together.
Yeah.
Then I think you would have to separate because ego जैसे आगे कि मैंने I have suggested this point तो मेरा point cannot be disregarded if this kind of thought process is there.
Right.
You cannot run the business together.
That's true.
Dadi, oh my God, I think so. See, you are in the family business, right? You understand, and I know that you have a brother,
Right.
So, and you have a younger brother, right?
Yeah.
So I have a younger brother. He would soon be joining me.
Right.
And the first question that popped up was, where is Rajbir? Where is Rajbir? What is he doing? Why is that relevant now? He's not here, right?
Right.
He will be. And I definitely look forward to having him alongside because he would be a huge support. But I think the question is basically out of patriarchy because they are expecting the sons to be the face.
Right.
So, but my dadi, so we, when I was in London, I was very clear that if I would be joining business, it would be the permanent, that I would be joining the business, then I would not leave it.
Right.
I was very clear about that. So I had my discussions prior to joining. So it started, and my dadi was the first one who understood, and understood all my points. And she literally said that we are just pushing our daughters because it is convenient. Because when there are two sons, you are sharing the responsibility. When there are two daughters, then you are handing over your entire empire to them because you don't have a choice.
Right.
When you have a choice, you are pushing the other one away. Why is that? Her responsibility is to plan her future according to her business. That is her responsibility. And if she, wants to, get married somewhere else and start, we will be there to support her because she has given us everything. So there also, if she might want to start something, we will be there to support her.
Right.
So yeah, I think sometimes the unexpected happens. Two generations. There are the differences of two generations, and still you are so understanding. And obviously everyone came together. My brother, but my brother is of this generation. He
Right.
gets it.
Right.
He has all his friends and everyone who talks about this thing. But Dadi getting all of this is like one go. It was, I felt so nice.
Yeah. That's when you feel like really supported, that
Really.
everyone understands. Usually grandparents are the ones like,
Huh.
I want to see you get married, this and
But
that.
she wants that too.
But then, I mean, that's like not the end of the discussion,
Exactly.
right? Like, even, I mean, I think it's the same experience with my grandmother as well. Like, she herself has been working, so her discussions with me are always that, okay, like, what's next in your life in terms of like your professional development.
Exactly.
That's glad to
Yeah.
hear.
So वो मुझे जैसे पंजाबियों में तो वैसे भी there are a lot of आशीर्वाद्स happening. तो on my birthday, it's always like खूब पैसे कमा, खूब सक्सेसफुल हो, एंड लेटर जो भी होता है खूब खुश रहे. ये तीन आते हैं पहले, उसके
Yeah.
बाद कोई बहुत अच्छा लड़का मिले जो तुम्हें हर तरह से सपोर्ट करे.
Right.
सो मैं देख रही हूँ कि द फ्लो इज कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड.
Yes.
सो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं बट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस.
Okay, guys, let's move on to now. Both of you have moved to, like, Chevy, you were working, she was studying in Delhi, then you went to London, now you're back to Bareilly. And same for you, Neha, from Varanasi, working, like, all over. Now you settled in Rudrapur. How is life in a smaller town?
So over the years, it has changed a lot. In my initial days, I used to get lots of comments and very doubt as
As a female.
Yeah, as a female in this industry. My parents get a lot of comments like why she's coming so late in her house, like why she's working in weekends, like what work is she's doing, like जब सब घर में है, घर में मेल्स मेंबर है, why she's out
Why
at
she's
night.
working.
I'm so much unable to explain them कि businessmen हैं, वो रात में ही free होते हैं business के बाद, then we have to start the meeting or we have to do the events. So I have faced a lot, in my initial days, but in working years, I made them prove wrong through my passion and through my working. They got the results, my professionalism and everything.
That's the only way you can do it.
Yes, I kept myself focused. I never looked up to them. I requested my parents ki please don't listen to them. I'm doing the good work. Obviously, when they get appreciated by the clients कि आपकी बेटी ने इतना अच्छा काम किया है,
Right.
then they get relaxed.
That is the proud moment.
Yeah. You let your work speak for itself.
Yes. And after, getting married here, I'm very chilled because my mother-in-law, father-in-law supports me a lot, like a lot. I come home late than Amit, like obviously. He comes early, but I finish my work. Well, I have to finish. I have some other works. I have many other works than him. So I came late from like him. He reached before and I used to come late. So
You have to stay there till the event
yeah.
ends.
So I am little chilled now. People have also assuming कि हाँ इस फील्ड में लड़की का होना is very important because she might be more creative than males.
Right.
So now the dynamic has changed.
Okay.
And I really wanted to break the stereotypes कि please females हैं तो late नहीं रुक सकती है, नहीं कर सकती. Now it has changed a lot and I'm really enjoying working now. Like,
I absolutely agree. We will. I don't think we need to discuss on the pros and cons of working in small towns when it comes to getting business, because I think it is very clear to everyone, because everyone is close knit, and pitch gets converted because of those relations. But working as a female, I think in any industry comes with a lot of challenge and a lot of judgment. The fact that your relatives, your padosis, and everyone, your fathers, your parents, friends, know you and they have seen you grow. Now that you have joined the family business, they, instead of having the right questions, like what is her qualification and how is she contributing to the work, the first question, it's not like that now, but the first question was, when are you getting her married? So that literally,
I've faced a lot.
yeah, that that is very demotivating. So is our identity only only linked to our marriage? And
Right.
if you want to work, do you have to get married, and then if you want, and the word, if the groom's family allow, then you can work with them.
Yeah.
Or so what is this word, yaar?
Exactly.
What is this word? We are in, come on, we are in 21st, we are living in 21st century, and how come our better half, our partner, who is who comes with the same experience, with the same background, and sometimes we are more educated and more experienced, how come we are getting permissions out of their families and
Right.
them?
Right.
So that are all the notions that I wanted to break. And so there was one incident, like I quite recently joined. I came from London, and I was sitting in my father's office and he was doing a sales pitch, and there are a lot of males sitting. There was my one of my senior staff manager. He was also sitting with Papa, and so I was sitting, on the on a different side of a table, and I was just working on my laptop. And he said, "Beta, chai le aana." The staff is there.
Right.
The staff is there, but क्योंकि एक female दिख रही है, you see one female in that room, and you ask her to bring tea.
Right.
Why? And Papa, so my Papa is my Papa, like both of them. They are my pillar. And Papa तो मेरी face ऐसे read करते हैं, तो he saw my face. Okay, ऋषभ जाके उनको वो बोलना, मतलब, but इतना ज़्यादा वो that demotivates you a lot.
Right.
But you still have to. I just had that confidence that I will show my work, because I also had, touchwood, I had that opportunity because Nirvana did not start when I joined.
Right, yeah.
So I had the opportunity to build an image from the scratch, and also it was a very new business for us.
Yeah.
We were not in hospitality, so it was like I would be contributing towards every aspect.
Right.
So
and
that
then creating such a huge infrastructure,
Right.
first of its kind in Bareilly,
Right.
and surrounding places as well.
yes, and being profitable since the
Yeah.
first year. So that was something that required a lot of dedication and hard work and family support, obviously. But I think these are the aspects that you have to face in small towns.
Right.
But I think things have changed. Things have changed. Now everybody talks about is how I should be there for every pitch,
Right.
how all the menus would go through me, how they want to meet me
Right.
for getting more ideas. So I think marketing हो जाती है, and
It's really glad. It's really glad.
and इसमें भी I think
Clients are also like, ask Amit दी, हाँ आएगी ना इस event में. I'm like, I'm glad.
यार बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ये.
Exactly.
तो so that
That motivates you, like you want to then push harder.
but I would also give that credit to my parents, because ना वो भी बहुत उस चीज़ को they pushed me in the sense that whatever I did behind the scenes, back of the house में whatever my efforts were, because F&B is generally back of the house, you are not the front face.
Right.
They gave me the due credit, I think more than that. And were always there, and they recognized my efforts.
Right.
So parents तो ऐसे होते हैं.
That's
So
true.
yeah.
And but then it's fortunate to have that kind of support
So,
from your parents
100%.
because the world is gonna say what they want to say.
Exactly.
But then you have to do what you want to do, and if your family, if your parents, your partner, they're supporting it, then nothing like it.
And I know it is out of context, और मैं कुछ ज़्यादा I'm prolonging it, but for this generation, I strongly advise that don't give your daughters an option to work, or just don't give them an option that we will get you married in a wealthy family and then you don't have to work, because at some point in life there would be a time where she will have all her responsibilities. She would be free from all her responsibilities, and then she would feel like there's nothing which is mine.
Right. Very
And
true.
that feeling kills you. And then you are hustling that at that time, because up us time na you are set in your ways. It is very hard to change. Even your husband.
That's true.
So literally force them that if you will not work and earn your own money, we will not get you married.
Right.
That should be, I don't know how many our viewers would be agreeing to this, but this is something which should be considered at
Yeah,
least.
definitely. I agree with it. Definitely. I mean, like, you're going out for that education. You have all the
Yeah,
exposure.
everything.
Like,
And
why
then
not?
what's use of that?
Right.
Correct.
एक न्यूज़पेपर इंटरव्यू हुआ था, सो उसमें दे आस्क्ड मी कि व्हाट आर योर फीलिंग्स रिगार्डिंग फीमेल्स, तो मैंने कहा ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ शिफ्ट. आजकल हो रहा है बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, उसके बाद क्या?
Right.
उसके बाद क्या?
Right.
What about making them financially independent?
Yes, exactly. I think that's a very good discussion, guys. So thank you for tuning in. That was the extra spice on the Dhoom Dham weddings. Lots of memorable conversations and a lot of honest discussions as well. So while we go and enjoy our snacks now, we leave you to it. Hope you like the episode, and keep tuning in for more.